there's a few places where I can create a sales page. The first page is I have my product page, which is where kind of you can sell a product. So notice how there's a lot of different templates here. And some of them are ideal for e-commerce stores. Some of them are ideal for different styles of landing pages. Some of them are input pages. I can go over here and click on landing page as well. You'll see some of them are similar and some of them might be, copy overs, which is fine. And then we can go over here to membership/course. And these, once again, are very few of them that I would use, maybe like something like this. But let's go ahead and stay on task and on focus today. And I'm going to go over here to my product page. And I'm going to select one of my product pages to sell here. Now remember, the product that I'm selling is going to be a fitness type course, right? So a fitness type course. And now as I'm looking at here on these different kind of pages, I see different examples of pages that I can use. If there is something that catches your interest, go ahead and select it. I'm going to be selecting this page right here. So this page, if you go to product page and you scroll, let's just see how far you scroll. You scroll about, let's see, a little bit past halfway and keep scrolling. Yeah, about 3/4 of the way or more, pretty much above this sneaker page, you have this page right here, the organic skin cream page. And we can go ahead and click preview and we can see what this looks like. Now this page is a very clean built page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, I'm going to add sections to it, but I'm also going to remove sections and remove images and replace them with my own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit select, and I'm going to give this page a title. And in my case, this is a sales page. So for what it is, I'm going to call it what the product is actually called. So in my case, I'm going to call this the Fitness Workout Coach course, right? So Fitness Workout Coach. That's going to be the name of the product. And that is simply what people will know the page as. And that's what I will know the page as. So I'm going to hit add. And notice here, I'm leaving the page on public because this is the page that people are going to see when I sell them the product. Now, notice as well how our header here is available to us right here. And this is what we call a plain page header. When I want people to come to my course, I do not want them to be distracted by any kind of typical links that would exist. So me personally, I would remove this, or I would hit hide when I'm trying to sell the products here. Now, if you notice, the reason why this is kind of hard to see, there is a header, is simply because the text is white. If I change this text to, like, let's say red, then you could start seeing the header emerge and the logo and all that kind of stuff. But I actually don't want a header. And the reason why, like I said, is because when I'm selling a course, I want people to be only focused on the content of the course. So remember, I'm hitting here hide. So this is the header and I'm hitting hide. And I'm going to hit save now. And so now we have essentially a kind of like a built out course page for us that we can go ahead and start editing. Now, keep in mind, I already have some of the content for my course, so I'm going to go over here and do the same thing and click Add New, and I'm going to add a new page.